This drink only takes 4 ingredients, but it's very important that you follow the order that it's made. Otherwise, you're going to have watered down coffee. So I'm going to be making it for 4 people, and as I go, I will tell you what it would be if we were making it for 1 person. So first we're going to make the coffee, and I'm using instant decaf, and so it's going to be 1 teaspoon of decaf with 1/4 cup of hot water per person. And so it's concentrated coffee. And since I'm making it for 4, I'll use 4 teaspoons with 1 cup of water. I'm using this organic chocolate syrup, and it's 1 tablespoon per person. So for 1 person, it's going to be 1 tablespoon. You want to put it in something that you can mix first. Now mix it with hot water and just fill it up to the top. I'm going to add it to the cold chocolate syrup so it'll start reducing the temperature of the hot coffee. This way I can get the rest of this chocolate off of this. So next you're going to add 1 cup of milk per person. Next you want to add ice to your glass and then just pour your coffee on top. And now pour your coffee and stir. And you have your delicious iced mocha coffee. Let's try it. Amazing.
Sweet?
If you really want to take it to the next level, you can put some whipped cream on top. Just like Starbucks, but better. Super delicious. Cheers. It's time to read some more comments today. Somebody wrote, I realized I was skipping your videos because your intro gave me anxiety. Now I just skip your intros. Well, I'm glad that you figured it out. And yes, just turn off the volume while the intro is playing. And then once the intro is finished, turn it back on and enjoy the content. Another one says, Jeff listens carefully, doesn't interrupt needlessly, and always asks important and relevant questions to clarify or confirm what is being shared with his audience. Thank you for those kind words. He's a disinfo agent. First I thought I was an alien, and now I'm a disinfo agent. Thanks for letting me know. Jeff, do you have a special birthmark in your left eye? It looks reptilian. Nothing against reptilians, of course, but it is quite curious. I had my wife check it out, and she didn't see anything in my left eye. But if I do grow a tail, I will let you know. Otherwise, I've been told that I'm Arcturian. I love your long hair, Jeff Mara. I'm at a point where should I cut my hair again because it's starting to get long on top, or should I grow it out long? Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. One of my guests named Rob Valentine sent me a copy of his book about his alien abduction. It's nice. It's illustrated and it looks really easy to read. And he even autographed it for me to Jeff and Mara, actually to both of us. Rob is also a metal worker, and I can tell you about him from the back of the book. With over 50 years as an artist and over 35 years working in metal, Rob's creations have been sold to collectors worldwide. You've probably seen his work in movies, Night at the Museum, Seventh Son, Underworld, The 13th Warrior, Shanghai Noon, Blade 2, and Dracula 2000, to name a few.
It's very beautiful. And it has his sign.
I don't know if that's his personal signature or just something that he designed for the armor. Either way, Rob, thank you very much for the book and the armor. I really appreciate it.